Hello, SEO enthusiasts, website owners, entrepreneurs, people who are generally SEO pros that are interested in this kind of stuff. My name is Jadine, and welcome to another video. So today I want to talk about another article that I saw on Search Engine Land. This one is called Why You Need Site Search. All right, so let's get right into the article. So did you know that 5 to 25% of all your site visitors use the search bar? Did you know that the site search visitors are more likely to make a purchase today versus non-site search visitor, aka browsers? Which is true, because think about it. Someone who's searching on your website, like, they like your website, they want to find something not somewhere else. They didn't keep looking in Google. They didn't keep the looking on the SERP. They found your website and they said, this is the place that I want to shop at, or this is where I'm going to get the information that I want. I wonder if they have X, Y, or Z thing. So don't overlook that. Here is where their site search is. So here you can search for something like SEO, which is where we're already at, but you type that in and you're good to go. Look at this. This is extremely interesting. One of the reasons why I love site search is because look at the parameters that were just inserted in the URL that I'm highlighting. So searchengineland.com/ and then a query parameter, and then S for search equals, and then I searched for SEO. Why is this so cool? You can start looking at what your audience has been looking for on your website, and you can actually do a search of this parameter on your Google Analytics. So all you do is search for like $S or whatever your parameters are for your particular website's search functionality, and then you can take a look at all the query strings that people have been searching on your website. So you can find out if people have been searching for products that you don't have in stock. People would be buying them from you, but you didn't know that you needed them because you didn't know people were searching for them. So I'm a big advocate for this kind of feature. Let's look at this on another website and see if we can find another parameter. So we're here and we're gonna search for drinks. I don't know, just random thing here. But what I want to draw your attention to is the query string again. So it's the same one as Search Engine Journal, and I wonder if it's because they're using WordPress that it's by default this $S. Let's look for something that we know isn't WordPress. Let's look for a Shopify store. So, okay, here we go. So look, here you have a different search parameter. So this is search. So I guess what they would be focusing on is search result ? And then finally, I guess it's a plugin that they're probably using, a Shopify plugin, equals, and then black, and then this little thing here is indicative of a space in the URL. So it just means that I put a space in there, and then a coffee. Misspelled coffee. So the purpose of me showing you this is to show you that it depends on what CMS you're using, content management system like WordPress or Shopify, but you just have to figure out what your search parameter is, and then you can search that on your analytics dashboard, and then you can find out what people have been searching for. Now, I'm not going to go too far. I mean, there's only one paragraph left, and it's pretty much, it feels like an ad really for whatever they're selling here, but the conversation still stands, and the points still stay. Your site search is really important. So are you using site search on your website? I sure hope so. You're leaving valuable insights if you don't have a search bar somewhere on your website. So yeah, that's all I got for this one. If you enjoyed this video, click like, click subscribe. So yeah, that's all I got for this video. If you enjoyed this video, click like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.